Are you looking for the best router collets in your budget? Well, in today's video, we break down the top 5 best router collets that are available on the market. I made this list based on their price, quality, durability, and more. To find out more information about this product, you can check out the description below, and also make sure you subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. The 5th product on our list is the 2PCS Router Collet Reduction Sleeve Tool Bit. This 2-piece router collet reduction sleeve tool bit set is made of a 3-carbon steel and is designed to turn electrical and mechanical wood carving milling chuck connectors from 1/2 inches to 1/4. The product is easy to install without the need for tools or extra steps. With an inner diameter of 6.35 mm and an outer diameter of 12.7 mm, this router bit collet chuck adapter is durable and wear resistant, making it suitable for long-term use. The set comes with 2 pieces and is perfect for replacing broken or lost parts. Up next in the 4th place is the Thaekuns 42950 1/2-inch router collet. The Thaekuns 1/2-inch router collet is designed to work seamlessly with 1/2-inch shank router bits, making it an excellent choice for both replacement and adapter needs. Its auto-release feature ensures that bits won't get stuck, allowing you to change tools quickly and efficiently. This collet is engineered to reduce bit runout, which enhances precision during your projects. Additionally, its robust design minimizes the risk of losing bits, giving you peace of mind while you work. With its durable steel construction, this collet is built to last, providing reliable performance for your routing tasks. The 3rd product on our list is the Roto Zip CN1 Replacement Collet and Nut Kit. The Roto Zip CN1 Replacement Collet and Nut Kit is a set of replacement collets and a nut that works with all RotoZip spiral saw tools and drywall routers. This kit includes 3 collets that can accommodate all bit sizes 1/8 inch, 5/32 inch, 1/4 inch to keep your RotoZip tool running at full capacity. With this kit, you can easily replace the collets for different bit sizes as needed. Second on our list is the STONEMUSLE RCZ50DW Router Collet. The STONEMUSLE Router Collet is a 1/2 inch self-releasing collet designed to enhance your routing experience. Its replacement part number is 261096284, ensuring compatibility with various brands like DeWalt and Bosch. With a thread specification of M19X1, this collet is easy to install and use. The thickened design minimizes bit runout, providing greater stability and precision during your projects. By choosing this collet, you can enjoy improved robustness and reliability, making your routing tasks smoother and more efficient. Finally, the top product on our list is the Bosch PR20 EVS Router Collet Chuck. The Bosch Router Chuck is a replacement 1/4 inch collet chuck for the Bosch PR20 EVS router, sold on Amazon. This collet chuck is an essential part of the router, which holds the bit in place and allows for precision cutting. The Bosch Router Chuck is easy to install and remove, making it convenient for users to switch between different bit sizes. Additionally, it is made by Bosch, a well-known brand in the power tool industry, ensuring its quality and durability. With the Bosch Router Chuck, users can achieve accurate cuts and achieve their desired results. Thanks for watching, and that's all for now. I hope to see you guys in the next video. Till next time.